my channel Ignoval. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Ignoval. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today I am excited because I am unboxing a toy, which is, oh my god, it's so heavy. A Henley's toy. So let me just bring it out. Oh my god. One sec. Excuse me. Yes. One sec. Yeah. The Lego Classic Box. And there are ideas included, as you can. No, this is the wrong side. Yeah. This Lego Classic. Okay, so the price is, where is the price? The price is 3,499. At the end, I am going to show you how you can get a lesser price of this toy. Okay, how to open it? So I have my scissor over here. I forgot it to tell you that how many pieces are there and how much age is it. Okay, the pieces are 484. Oh my god, that's a lot of pieces. I didn't count them all, they were over here. And ideas included, and there are like what we say that to remove like the, I forgot the name, but it's like a stick which helps you remove the Lego pieces out of its place, because sometimes Lego's pieces are just stuck, so they put like the remover. Okay, and it is not for three smaller than 3 each, and I think this is medium. This is Lego medium. There is large, small, and medium. Okay, so now I think we can, and there are ideas included. I told that in the beginning also. And now it's time to open it. Where is my scissor? My scissor is in the background. One sec, I have to pick this up like this. Oh, I can hear the jamming. Okay, it's open. Wow. Oh my god, I'm opening it the wrong way. Let me open it again. Woohoo! And there are like these things over here also. And now let me put this aside. It's so big. Oh my god, yeah. So now it's time to open it. Wow. Okay, so this is the orange theme thing. Okay. This is red and brown. Yeah, red and brown. And some sand color also. This is green color, dark green and green. This is gray and black colored with all the tires and stuff. Oh my god. And this is the base plate. Ding. And this is the blue colored. Blue and dark blue. And this is pink and white. And purple also. Yeah. And oh my ideas. Oh, see this. Oh, Lego man. See this. In the starting, it's so funny. See. Oh, see this. This is me. I got an idea. Let me use the book. So now this is the book which he was using. And this is how to attach it and detach it like this. Okay. So there are a lot of ideas, as you can see. How to make it. And the pieces. so much. Okay, now it's time to open them. So I'm putting them in. Oh, wait, I forgot it to close it. And magic is done. Wow, they look so beautiful. I want to. Oh, I like the jingling sound. Wow. Okay, so the parts quality is really good. See this. It's so satisfying. Oh my god, yeah. And one sec, where is the part with the... Yes, this is the part to remove it. Let me just... I want to see the manual. I didn't see the manual right. I think it was something we have to put it like this and attach it. Yeah, see this. And okay. I understand. Like, I put it this. I have to see the manual back in a sec. So I am back with some of reading, and I understand it that if we put this piece over here in any, then you have to use this. This is the pointy part. Wait. And it comes up and we are out. And it's so easy. And we can make one thing with this. I just need to find those stud pieces. I think they should be in these. Yeah. Actually, I want black. One sec. Yes. Okay. I found these two white pieces. Okay, these. We can attach these. Oh, gone. No worries, it's there. Yeah, we can attach this. These are not normal. Yeah, and we can make eyes. This is an eyelashes part, but we can put eyes. We can make eyes of these. And one more thing I wanted to tell you was that if you make something like I take this faceplate and just put something, okay, and you will keep it, it will be protected because of the box's height. So like you can keep your stuff, and the things like the blocks will not be misplaced because they will be safely in the box. And the box quality is like really good, really good. So this is what I made with Lego, as you can see. It's a taxi monster car. It's like we can jump it and it moves and it goes really fast. Hello! So that's it for today's video, and I forgot to tell you that how you can get this in less than 2,500. You just have to do one teensy step. Just open the description and click the link below, the buy link below actually. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. So bye, and don't forget to subscribe